Hello, it's Bev Code, and I am sharing today a fabulous collection from PRIMA. As a PRIMA educator, I get to share both products and some classes with you, and that's exactly what I'm here to do today. The class will be a 8.5 by 8.5, and it will have the 2.25, 2.25 inch spine, and it will be album number 11. And in order to detail this, I am sharing with you the fabulous collection that is available, and I only have about 6 of them, and so we will have a 6-man class. And I am going to share with you, first of all, the products that are in the kit. I then will proceed with putting together the class using the identical products to showcase how to use your products that you are going to be purchasing in album to make album number 11. This is pretty pale, and it's soft, muted, bold, and has a combination of flat paper and some beautiful foils added to it, along with all the accents that I am going to be sharing with you today. So with that, let's get started. I'm just going to start this so that I can follow along. So, paper first. Are you ready? In this collection, you are getting an A4, which is 8 2/7 or 8 27 by 1169. So almost 8.5 by 12 paper. It's closer to like 8 1/4 by 11.5 plus. So there's 30 sheets. There's 5 sheets of each, and they are double-sided. So that is what you're getting in the main paper collection. And I have pulled these out of my page just so I can showcase the papers. We have a beautiful floral, and I'm just going to go, okay, I'll do one at a time. There's the beautiful floral with an accent sheet. Here's a beautiful floral, and you notice they change color. They went from very dark and black and brown, really rich, to softer, more mellow cream and beige and brown. And on the back side, we have muted prints. Next, we have another touch of pink, very pale pink in this one, but another floral with another just kind of mixed decor with a touch of pink in it. This one is a mix of everything you can think of. Flowers, calendars, numbers, grids, all kinds of fabulous things. Really, really pretty. And we have a dotted pattern on the back of this one. This one is kind of fun, mixed media, splatters, cut piece, rips, really pretty, and some music tones. And on the back, they have a marvelous hearts, spades, diamonds. So your cards, and clubs on the back of that one. And this one is the grid and lines. Absolutely a great mix. So beautiful softer tones in prints on one side and some fun graphics on the other. Now, this is what you're getting in this fabulous, full-fledged, not open, 30-piece paper kit. So I'm going to set that aside. And what we've done, if you notice, there was no gold embossing or any elements of gold foil in that paper. The gold foil comes in the 12 by 12 paper. So I bought the extra pads, and I've separated them into 2. So basically you are getting half of this instead of 24, you are getting 12. So you will be getting 2 of each of the 6 patterns. And I will open this book to showcase where the gold foil is so predominant. And this is where I pick the gold foil prints to dome the outside of either the cover and or pockets, and if there's any left on some of the booklets. But I kind of use it up front and not on the inside primarily. Now on this side here, you don't see any foil, and it's because the back side is stunning. The polka dots, let me try and tilt, there we go. I gotta tilt it so you can see. Yeah, so it's the dots that are foil. So there's 2 pieces of that. Okay, up next, it's the same thing. We do not have any foil on this fabulous big 12 by 12. The hearts on the beautiful card emblems, hearts, clubs, diamonds, and spades. The hearts have the gold. You can see them shining. Really, really pretty. There's 2 sheets. Now this one, it's in the floral section. Now I'm going to tip it so that I can see that you can see. There's the beautiful foil. Absolutely stunning. So all the grid is in foil gold and the flowers are flat. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love this one. The same on this one. We have the flowers are in the foil, the outline, and as you can see, it's pulled in some of the pink toning. Yeah, as I wiggle it, you can see how it's popping off the page. It's absolutely fabulous. Fabulous foil accents on this one. So on the print flower one, we are again going to the foil, which is on the back side. I'm turning it so I can get it into the screen here. Down the edge and in this other corner. So you have the foil in the accent section of this paper. And for the last one, I'm just going to flip on over here. The foil is in the stripe. Absolutely fabulous. Amazing and beautiful. So that's why you are getting a combination in paper. So flat 30 pieces and 12 pieces of the 12 by 12 so that you can have the foil. So that is the main part of this collection. Now we are going to be sharing some journaling cards, and I have packaged them. There is 1 of each piece. So you're getting 15 pieces, and they have beautiful colorings, beautiful accents, all done up in really fun journal cards. A lot of people, when they have been crafting, do not have access, either financially or where they live, to some of the fabulous things that are out there for accenting. So I decided I would share a few of my favorite PRIMA ones. So you will be getting a set of brads. There's a silver, gold, and bronze, 100 pieces. Along with that, we have some mechanicals. There's 10 pieces, and these are the danglers, and they're absolutely fabulous to put on the ends and at the side of your album. And you will be getting a combination. You are getting this in your package. And I know there's lots of flowers out there, but what I'm doing is I took advantage of being able to get different flowers that I felt will work with this collection of paper. This is the combo that comes specifically with Pretty Pale. Really great sizes, fun flowers. I like to have small ones and big ones. Big ones you can showcase on the outside, and a little bit smaller can be on the insides. Can't get too thick on the inside. So there is flower collection number 1. I'm going to put in this collection, and if you don't use it on your album, I'm sure that you will use it on something else, but it does have the possibilities of pulling different flowers in this combo to go with the paper. This is also another really cute combo, 6 different pieces, and they're very tiny. Some of them can go inside or outside on the album cover. That will be your option, what you want to do. But I will share where I share them when I make the album that I'm going to share with you. Now, these here are washi tape, and there is one missing, but I'm putting in a collection of 2. The 2 pieces for sure that I loved that went with this collection, and they will be accent trims in your pockets and your booklets. Up next, these are not PRIMA, but I have some Scrapinic chipboards. 3 fabulous, fun, mostly florals, because the florals were in the paper of this collection. And you will be able to put these throughout your album, inside and out. Also using some beautiful PRIMA, we have the Say It With Crystals. And the blues are not something that goes with this, but the shades of pink and the gold here are definitely something that we will be able to work with. And then there is a package of the coordinating chipboards. So the pretty pale chipboards that belong to this collection, 21 pieces, all fabulous, and we will use them throughout our album. Now, on the side, I went into my stash, and I am putting in 4 sets of batteries, or sorry, not batteries, magnets. And I also have, this is pulling apart here. Just give me a second. It's, we get these at our little local store, and they're Velcro dots. So you're going to get 4 magnets and 4 Velcros for closures. I'm going to stick in 2 gold PRIMA doilies. I then have a little miscellaneous baggie, which I'm putting together. And in this baggie, I went into stash, and I have added, well, let me just get them out. I had a collection of paper clips. So everybody's getting a paper clip accent. You are getting a run of pearls to put on your pages as an accent. You cut these apart. That's why I cut one to show you. So you cut them apart. I put some extra string, and I put in 2 full rolls of light and darker ribbons. And there's 4 yards of ribbon on each. And just for fun as an accent, there's a piece of cork. Cork is always fun to have as an accent. So I'm going to put those over there. The other thing you're going to be getting is 2 sheets of the very, very metallic. This is the Satin Effect Mirror Honey Gold. So there will be 2 pieces of this in your collection. And I specifically save a piece for my front cover and cut one apart for throughout the album. You will see that when we do it. Now, in my local little dollar store, and don't laugh at the dollar store, but in Canada, I got a hold of these. And they weren't $1. They are $4 each. But I am putting this together for you because all of these fabulous colors, let me read what it says here. 15, and 15 is 30, 40, I'm wondering if it's 20. 20, 40, 60, 10, 20. Well, it says 60 sheets. So I'm just trying, so there must be 20 each. 20, 40, 60. And these are the colors for accenting throughout. And this is where I try and change up. 1 and 2 might be in white, and 3 and 4 in the brown, and 5 and 6 in the black. So you can spread it out, but have enough to do double pages. And then I also found another collection of paper, and it's a different shade. So I'm just going to go like this just to show you. It's a lighter shade than this one. So I thought there's 7 sheets of this. I didn't have enough to do 10. So basically you're going to get 67 sheets of 8.5 by 11. You're going to get some beautiful gold, fun accents, washi tape, chipboard, say it with pearls, some fabulous chipboard accents, some amazing flowers, some metal accents, some journaling cards, and paper, foiled paper in the 12 by 12 and the A4, almost 8.5 by 12. So that is what I am going to be selling as the collection in the kit for Pretty Pale. And as soon as my album is ready, I will then share the album I make and promote this collection at the same time. But I thought I better do the video before I start cutting into it and can't share. So it's Bev. I'm here today as a PRIMA educator, sharing the options of a beautiful collection, and I will give you more details on that. And also a finished album that I will make using identically the same products that you are going to have the option to purchase. So look for me to share and all the details for the class and the collection. Thank you. Take care.